Welcome to the comprehensive breakdown of the Dell XPS 14, 2026. Dell's XPS line has long stood as the gold standard for premium Windows ultraportables, bridging the gap between sleek aesthetic design and heavy-duty productivity performance. Design and key features: seamless haptic glass touchpad. The palm rest is covered entirely in smooth glass. There are no physical borders around the touchpad. Instead, an invisible haptic feedback engine responds precisely when clicking anywhere in the center region. Zero-lattice keyboard. The keycaps are flush with no spacing between them, offering larger key surfaces for typing, backed by soft touch travel and backlighting. Capacitive touch function row. The traditional physical function key row, F1, F12 media keys, is replaced by an illuminated capacitive touch bar that switches dynamically between media controls and standard function keys. Corning Gorilla Glass protection. The wrist rest utilizes Gorilla Glass 3 for scratch resistance and a soft, comfortable feel during long typing sessions. Display: 3.2K OLED touch display. Delver's infinite contrast, vibrant colors, 100% DCI, P3 color gamut, and deep blacks. The variable 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and crisp motion graphics. FHD Plus IPS non-touch display, a power-efficient alternative offering higher peak brightness, 500 nits, and matte anti-glare coating for bright lighting environments. Audio performance. The quad speaker setup consists of two main stereo speakers and two tweeters firing upward through side grills. The sound profile delivers clear vocals, balanced mid-range, and solid low-end bass via Wave's max audio tuning, making it one of the best audio experiences on a 14-inch Windows laptop. Performance and battery life. Powered by Intel's Core Ultra processors, the XPS 14 handles heavy multitasking, photo editing, code compilation, and 4K video rendering effortlessly. Models equipped with the NVIDIA RTX 4050 GPU offer strong acceleration for creative workflows in Premiere Pro, Blender, and mid-tier 1080p gaming. Battery endurance. FHD Plus model delivers approximately 11 to 13 hours of real-world productivity usage. 3.2K OLED model delivers around 7 to 9 hours due to the higher pixel density and power draw of the OLED panel. Pros: exceptional build quality with premium aluminum and glass materials. Stunning 3.2K 120Hz OLED display option with vivid color accuracy. Outstanding quad-speaker sound system. Strong overall performance with optional discrete graphics in a 14-inch chassis. Generous inclusion of 3 full Thunderbolt 4 ports. Cons: capacitive touch function row lacks physical tactile feedback. Invisible trackpad requires a short learning curve to locate boundaries instinctively. High starting price, especially when upgrading to OLED, 32GB RAM, or discrete graphics. Soldered RAM limits future upgradability. Price and availability. Base configuration starts around $1,499 to $1,699 USD. Core Ultra 7, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD. FHD Plus display. Mid to high configuration. Ranges from $1,999 to $2,399 USD. Core Ultra 7 9ths, 32GB RAM, 1TB SSD. RTX 4050, 3.2K OLED screen. Verdict: is it worth it and who it's for? The Dell XPS 14 balances portability and raw performance better than most laptops in its class. It packages discrete graphics capability and a top-tier display into a compact 14-inch chassis that fits easily into a backpack. Who it's for: photographers, videographers, and graphic designers who need color accuracy, GPU acceleration, and a bright display on the go. Business users who prioritize build quality, sleek appearance, and strong audio-visual capabilities for meetings and presentations. Anyone wanting a cutting-edge Windows laptop that feels like a piece of modern art.